Hello， 各位朋友，你哋好，我係 Matthew。今日咧，我繼續咧想同大家咧講咧 SEO 相關嘅內容。今日咧，我預備咗兩條片，都係咧 Google 咧自己製作嘅。咁啊，一條咧就新啲，2019年；一條咧就舊啲。咁啊，對於我哋咧學習 SEO 嘅人嚟講咧，都係相當之有用㗎，因為能夠了解到 Google 咧自己點樣營運嗰個 search engine 咧，我哋咧就有更多嘅知識或者資訊咧，去幫助我哋做得更好嘅 SEO 啦。咁我哋事不宜遲啦。首先咧，我想同大家分享咧新啲嗰條片，2019年嘅片。我自己個人嚟講咧，就中意咧舊啲嗰條片多啲嘅。不過我哋一陣間咧先至睇舊啲嗰條片。咁我哋首先咧就睇咗呢一條片先啦。咁我哋睇一睇咧，佢點樣解釋咧 Google 個 search engine 嘅運作啊。
Since the beginning, back when the homepage looked like this, Google has been continuously mapping the web, hundreds of billions of pages, to create something called an index. Think of it as the
好啦，呢度咧有一個好重要嘅概念咧，就係咧 Google 咧 create 咗一樣嘢叫做 index， 而我哋咧知道咧呢一個嘅 index 咧係不斷地去改變嘅，係因應呢個 internet 上邊嘅網站嘅數目啦，有乜嘢嘅內容嘅改變啦，呢一個 index 咧都係不斷咁樣去改變嘅。如果咧我哋要做好 SEO 嘅話咧，其實咧都唔係一朝一夕嘅，因為你為咗咧要令到 Google 全世界嘅 server 都 update 到你嘅 entry 落去嗰個嘅 index 裏面咧，其實咧就真係需要啲時間嘅。以前咧我哋咧通常咧都話咧Google 要走勻全世界，可能咧都要幾個禮拜嘅時間。咁啊，如果你要咧慢慢咧可以建立到咧你 SEO 嘅內容喺 Google 嘅 index 上邊嘅話咧，咁你可能咧都要幾個月嘅時間咧，先至能夠有足夠嘅內容喺佢嘅 index 裏面咯。咁所以咧，其實咧就冇得心急，總係需要啲時間咧，慢慢咧去建立咧你喺 Google index 裏面嘅內容咧能夠充足，你先至可以排名排得高嘅。好，我哋繼續睇落去。
The giant library we look through whenever you do a search for lasagna or anything else. Now, the word lasagna shows up a lot on the web. Pages about the history of lasagna, articles by scientists whose last name happened to be lasagna, stuff other people might be looking for. But if you're hungry, randomly clicking through millions of links is no fun. This is where Google's ranking algorithms come into play. First, they try to understand what you're looking for, so they can be helpful even if you don't know exactly the right words to use.
好啦，咁我哋又再停一停啦。正話咧，佢講到咧有一個 ranking 嘅 algorithm。咁呢個 ranking 嘅 algorithm 咧，即係我哋中文成日講到話叫做演算法啦。即係話 Google 用乜嘢嘅方法嚟衡量你個排名咧，會唔會排得高啦？咁好明顯啦，當中一定有好多嘅原因咧，去幫助我哋嘅排名嘅。咁所以咧，我哋要了解呢個 Google 嘅演算法咧，咁我哋咧就一定要咧去俾心機關注到咧有唔同嘅一啲嘅 rules 啦。咁其實咧，大約可能有200條以外更多嘅 rules 咧，我哋係需要關注到嘅。咁不過咧，有一啲重要嘅，我哋咧就特別要留意啦。咁我哋再睇一睇落去啦。
Or if your spelling is a little off. Then they sift through millions of possible matches in the index and automatically assemble a page that tries to put the most relevant information up top for you to choose from. Okay, now we have some results. But how did the algorithms actually decide what made it onto the first page? There are hundreds of factors that go into ranking search results, so let's talk about a few of them.
好。咁樣咧就呢條片我就唔繼續睇落去啦。咁鼓勵大家咧可以揾翻呢一條片啦。咁我喺嗰個嘅 description 嗰度咧都會放翻條 link 喺度嘅。咁但係咧我哋已經咧略咧認識咗咧原來咧 Google 咧係會咧用呢一個嘅演算法個 algorithm 咧去決定你嗰個嘅排名咯。 咁跟住落嚟咧，有另外一條片咧，我就想同大家分享嘅。咁個主持咧就叫做 Matt Cutts。咁呢一個主持咧，我都係非常之中意佢嘅，因為佢本身以前咧就喺 Google 裏面去做工嘅。咁佢咧亦都好明白咧 Google 裏面啲 algorithm 咧係點樣運作，所以咧我始終咧都係中意咧睇翻佢10多年前咧拍嘅片，關於咧 Google 個 search engine 咧係點樣運作，所以咧我今日亦都想同大家咧去分享佢呢一條片嘅，咁我哋一齊去睇啊。
Hi, my name is Matt Cutts. I'm an engineer in the quality group at Google, and I'd like to talk today about what happens when you do a web search. The first thing to understand is that when you do a Google search, you aren't actually searching the web. You're searching Google's index of the web.
好啦，佢呢度咧講得好清楚啦。當我哋咧去 search 咧個 internet 嗰陣時候咧，喺 Google 上面去 do 個 search 嘅時候咧，我哋唔係 search 緊個 internet， 我哋係 search 緊 Google 嘅 index。咁正話我都有解釋到咧嗰個 index 係乜嘢意思。咁佢跟住落嚟咧都會解釋嘅。
Web, or at least as much of it as we can find. We do this with software programs called spiders. Spiders start by fetching a few web pages. Then they follow the links on those pages and fetch the pages they point to. And
嗱，呢度咧講咗一個好重要嘅概念，就係咧呢一啲嘅 program 咧叫做 spiders 咧，佢哋會將咧一啲 web page 上邊嘅 links 去互相咧聯繫埋一齊。當呢啲嘅 links 咧互相聯繫埋一齊嘅時候咧 ，Google 咧就 form 咗一個好巨型嘅 index 出嚟㗎啦。
And follow all the links on those pages and fetch the pages they link to, and so on, until we've indexed a pretty big chunk of the web, many billions of pages stored across thousands of machines. Now, suppose I want to know how fast a cheetah can run. I type in my search, say cheetah, running, speed, and hit return. Our software searches our index to find every page that includes those search terms.
好嗱，佢正話講咧就係話嗰個 software 咧就會將咧所有 index 咗嘅 web page 去 contains 包含咗咧呢一個嘅 search terms 嘅。咁有陣時候我哋咧都不斷會用咧 keywords 嚟去代表關鍵字嚟去代表嘅，但係咧其實咧關鍵字又唔單止字嘅，係唔同嘅 search terms。有陣時候咧係一個字，有陣時候咧係一個句子，都係可以咧成為呢啲嘅 search terms。所以咧大家咧要明白咧，有陣時候 search terms 同關鍵字咧中間有一個好微妙嘅關係啊。好，我哋繼續睇。
In this case, there are hundreds of thousands of possible results. How does Google decide which few documents I really want? By asking questions. More than 200 of them. Like.
係啦，而家咧就係講緊咧嗰個 algorithm 咧個演算法咧，可能咧超過咧200條題目咧我哋需要咧去作答嘅。咁所以咧其實咧我哋要明白咧究竟 Google 係問緊啲乜嘢題目？如果我哋係能夠回應到嗰啲嘅題目咧，即是話我哋喺個 ranking 個排名上邊咧就可以咧排得高啲啦。
Like, how many times does this page contain your keywords?
嗱，非常之重要啊 ！How many times 你嗰個嘅 page 咧係包含咗咧你嗰個嘅 keywords 嘅，即係話咧，當人哋去搜尋緊你嗰個嘅網站嗰陣時候，或者搜尋緊一啲嘅關鍵字嘅時候，佢就會睇返究竟你個網頁裡面包含咗幾多次呢一個嘅關鍵字。
Do the words appear in the title? In the URL? Directly adjacent?
好啦，幾樣嘢啦。當我哋去 present 我哋嘅網頁俾 Google 嗰陣時候咧，咁Google 咧就會撈咗我哋嘅 page title 啦 ，page 嗰個條 link 啦，同埋咧 page 有啲 summary of 嘅內容。咁如果你嗰個 title 嗰個link，你個 summary 嗰個 description 係包含咗呢啲嘅關鍵字咧，其實係有分加嘅。咁所以咧，我哋已經咧開始解答緊咧我200條嘅題目裡面嘅重要幾條啦。
Does the page include synonyms for those words? Is this page from a quality website, or is it low quality, even spammy? What is this page's page rank? That's a formula, invented by our founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin, that rates a web page's importance by looking at how many outside links point to it.
嗱，而家咧亦都咧有一個重要嘅概念咧，開始咧佢喺度解説緊，就係咧 outside link to 嗰啲嘅 page，point to 嗰啲嘅 page。所以咧其實咧呢一啲咧我哋叫做 backlinks 啦。有幾多 external 嘅 website 唔係你自己嘅 website， 係 link back 緊落去咧你嗰個嘅 website 嗰度。越多咧，原來咧就越多分家嘅。咁所以你都要諗一諗啦，有咩辦法咧去揾呢啲朋友仔啊，或者咧一啲友好 business partner 咧一齊咧去 link back to 你嗰個嘅 website 嗰度。另外嘅考慮方法咧就係咧你會唔會有啲嘅 social media 咧去幫助你backlink 落去你自己嗰度？咁我將來咧有一啲嘅video 咧，我都會講一講咧呢啲 backlinks 咧點樣去製造出嚟嘅。咁我哋繼續再睇一睇。
And how important those links are. Finally, we combine all those factors together to produce each page's overall score and send you back your search results.
嗱，呢度咧有少少咧，我自己覺得咧係個黑箱嚟嘅。我哋係永遠唔知道佢嗰個嘅演算法個 algorithm 咧係個比重加分落去邊一啲位置嗰度，但係好明顯咧有一啲咧係比較重要嘅 rules 咧，我哋一定要咧係努力做好佢嘅。咁佢正話咧都有講過㗎。咁幾樣嘢啦，即係你個網頁嘅 title 啦，你嗰個網頁嘅 summary description 啦，或者我哋叫做 meta description 啦，你有條 link 啦，你個網頁裏面咧包含咗幾多次呢一啲咁樣俾人哋搜尋緊嘅關鍵字或者 search terms 啦。咁呢幾條題目咧，其實咧已經幫我哋 SEO 咧幫好多㗎啦。咁我以後都會咧係喺個節目裏面咧講多少少咧點樣咧將呢一啲嘅範圍咧做得更加好嘅。好。咁樣咧就我哋睇到喺呢一個位我哋就停啦。其實咧我哋如果總括翻呢兩條片啦，都係不斷咧話俾我哋聽。而家咧其實 Google 咧去 perform 一個 search 嘅時候，佢唔係 search 緊個 internet， 佢係 search 緊咧佢哋 create 出嚟嘅 index 啫。咁所以咧其實咧有陣時候咧我哋真係需要等我哋嘅內容 update 到落去佢哋個 index， 由世界各地 Google 嘅 server 都 recognize 到嗰陣時候咧，我哋嘅 SEO 先至會咧發揮嗰個效力咯。另外一樣嘢咧就係我哋個 page 嘅 title 啦 ，page 嘅 meta description 啦 ，page 嘅 link 啦 ，page 嘅內容啦，都會直接影響到咧我哋個 SEO 排名嘅。而呢個排名個 algorithm 咧，其實咧就大約有200條 rules 度或者更多。咁不過我一般情況咧幫客人做嘅時候咧，我都係咧特別關注到我正話提到幾樣嘢啦，就係 page title description。條 link 同埋嗰個嘅 content， 咁所以咧我哋將來嘅 program 裏面，我哋都會咧刻意地去針對呢幾方面咧點樣可以做得好啲嘅。咁今日咧嘅分享咧就到此為止啦。咁如果大家有興趣咧睇翻我正話分享嗰兩條片咧，你就去翻個 description 嗰度咧去揾翻條 link 咧就 OK 噶啦。咁我哋下次咧就再見啦，拜拜。